Mm. That's really good. Welcome guys to day 2. So we've officially moved in here. Me and my brother officially took all our stuff from our friend's house where we're originally staying, and now we're officially going to be staying here tonight. So tonight was gonna be our first time ever staying in this house, and it's really exciting. On our way here, we have a couple like pickups that we have here. First off, we have this like cabinet thingy, and then we also bought some towels here. We had to bring all of our food. This fridge doesn't work. All the cold food is downstairs because the downstairs fridge works. There's several Amazon packages coming in today, so I'm gonna be here to receive them. Some of the things that are coming in today, for example, we're gonna change the doorknob into a keypad lock, and then we're gonna finish up building the bunk bed. Now that my brother's here, he's currently working in the room right now, so quite a bit to do. Not as much as yesterday, but yeah, let's go. That's just a recreation of how the Amazon person dropped off my box. We're gonna get this thing changed, the deadbolt, and this one changed. We have our handy tools here. I think we're gonna need a screwdriver. That's just my assumption here. Let's get this open. A replacement part right here. I don't know exactly what all these are for, but I know it belongs on that door. See that? I rhymed. So, let's try this. Alright, that's one screw. There you go. Doorknob is off. Oh, there's the other part. It's a pretty simple thing. This is my first time ever doing this, but if we're just gonna retrace our steps here, it should be pretty self-explanatory to get this all in. Alright, so this is how we want it, right? The door opposite. And there we go. Oh, wait a second. It's the wrong way. Hey, yo, it's the wrong way.
Alright, so this is how we want it, right? The door opposite.
That is tragic. That's tragic. Right? It's the wrong way. It's supposed to be. I'm gonna do it all over again. You just have to take it all apart and do it again. We did it again. Did it in like half the time. Probably like, that was less than 5 minutes. Doorknob. Yes. See? Perfect. Woo! Let's get it! Okay, cool. Door works. Door works correctly. Very good. Okay, so that's a quick lesson for you guys. Make sure that when you're installing a door, that you make sure this thing right here is faced the right way. If you don't, you're gonna have to take apart the entire thing, and you know that's just not fun. All right, let's move on to the deadbolt. Now for the keypad. This is gonna be a lot more complicated, I'm guessing. So this wire here, there's 2 wires here that stick out from one side to the other side. So essentially when you put it on the door like this and sandwich through, you connect the wires right here. The lock is powered via batteries right here. These work on AA batteries, and I don't have AA batteries. So I'm gonna have to go down to the store and pick up some AA batteries, and I guess effectively this makes this not feasible to do at this very moment because I'm gonna go out. But I will focus my efforts on other tasks that need to be done around this house. One of those tasks being the bunk bed. So we're gonna have to get this piece right here bolted on right there. Successfully built the bunk bed. Thanks to Tim's help here. Now we have somewhere to sleep tonight. at least we have beds. We just need like comforters and bed sheets and all that other stuff. Last thing I'll be doing today, just to finish off the day, is this downstairs unit is has this really like ugly like mosquito net. I don't know what you call it, but they're held up by these like tacks here on the door frame. So what I'm gonna try and do is remove them with this hammer and basically throw this entire thing away, because it's I just don't like the look of it. So yeah, we do that now. So that was the last thing I had today, and that's day 2 of this whole Airbnb conversion here. One day at a time, right? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.